Good day, I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for Monday, September 9. Government is expecting more private sector jobs to be created under the Jamaica Employ Program next year as the administration's economic program continues to bear fruit. Speaking at last week's Jamaica House briefing, Labour Minister Derek Kelly said the expectations were also based on discussions with private sector leaders.
We are contemplating continuing our meetings island-wide to speak with members of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce with whom the Prime Minister signed the Memorandum of Understanding here at Jamaica House. We wish to continue to sensitize the principals of businesses about the program and to make available the registration list on the electronic exchange so they can do matching. They match the skills competence with the jobs that they have.
Under the Jamaica Employ program, businesses agreed to hire at least one unemployed qualified person. Since the agreement was signed last September, more than 4,000 persons have registered with the Labour Ministry, with approximately 400 referred for jobs in the private sector. Several schools in Manchester will be upgraded during this academic year. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite says the overcrowding issue at the Mandeville Primary School will be addressed.
Funds have already been identified and granted through the Jamaica Social Investment Fund.
The Education Minister was speaking on Friday at the official opening of the Belfield Primary School, which was also upgraded recently. The function also served as the official launch of the 2013-2014 school year. Minister Thwaites announced that the Mackintosh Memorial and the Great Zion Hill Primary Schools would also be upgraded. Those works are in addition to a new block that is under construction at the now government-owned Bel-Air Academy. Youth and Culture Minister HANNA has called for the private sector to play a greater role in assisting the government to ensure the success of the ANANDA alert system. Minister HANNA was speaking on Friday at the Office of the Children's Registry press briefing at Jamaica House. She also advised parents to diligently supply schools with the requisite documentation for their children.
I want to urge parents to ensure that a recent photograph of your child is supplied to his or her school at the start of every single school year, as this greatly assists in the recovery efforts in the event if your child goes missing.
The OCR has received an increased budgetary allocation of $61.8 million this financial year, compared to $41.7 million last financial year. Government has reaffirmed its commitment to developing a sustainable sugar industry through the implementation of several initiatives. Speaking at a retirees function for the J. Ray and Nephew Agricultural Division Friday, Agriculture Minister Roger Clark pointed to a $1.7 billion replanting program for sugar farmers, among other projects.
We have to move incrementally up, not incrementally down. Because we have some markets, the demand is there, the crop is resilient.
In addition to the replanting program, government is spending $1 billion on the Sugar Barracks relocation project and $404 million to fix cane roads. 26 employees of J. Ray and Nephew were honored for their service to the organization at Friday's function. And finally, businessman Samir Younis has been conferred with the Order of Jamaica, the country's fourth highest honor. The investiture ceremony took place on Friday at King's House. In her tribute, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller thanked Mr. Younis for his contribution to the growth and development of the country, particularly the redevelopment of downtown Kingston.
I want to thank you for your selfless service to your country, and particularly your contribution lifting the lives of the poor in our inner cities.
Mr. Younis graciously received his award.
I'm humbled and honored to get this award. I have worked in civic affairs for over 40 years. I've chaired it for over 40 years.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.